As you know, we are learning Hindi as a second language, and in this video, we are talking about Hindi pronouns and their oblique form, their oblique case of Hindi pronouns. We will learn how to use them and where to use them. So let's begin. Hi everyone, I am Manish from IndusHindi.com, and in this video we are talking about Hindi pronouns and their oblique form of Hindi pronouns. So first of all, we have to remember few things, like when we use the oblique form of any pronouns like Hindi pronouns. So we use Hindi pronouns oblique form in two conditions. First, when we are addressing something or someone, and the second is while it followed by a postposition. Postpositions are like English preposition, which indicates the relationship between noun phrases and verb phrases. Before we talk about, we should remember few things, like we already have to know the direct case of Hindi pronouns, right? And we are going to change them from direct case to oblique case. So as we know, like all direct case of Hindi pronouns, so we will go one by one. So our first Hindi pronoun is मैं, which means I. मैं, which is I. When you change it from direct case to oblique case, मैं becomes मुझ. मुझ. You can add any postposition after मुझ, like में, से, पर, को, any, etc. For example, you can say मुझको कॉफी चाहिए. मुझको कॉफी चाहिए, which means I want coffee. In the same amount, the first person plural pronoun is हम, and the oblique form of हम is हम. There is no change, like हमको, हमसे, etc. And the second person singular pronoun is तू, and the oblique form of तू is तुझ, which means you. In English we have just one you, right? But in Hindi we have three types of you, like तू, तुम and आप. In oblique form, where तू becomes तुझ and तुम becomes तुम, there is no change. तुम, no change, and आप, there is also no change. And the third person singular pronoun is यह and वह, which means यह and वह, which literally means this and that. For close we use यह, and for far we use वह. यह and वह, which means he, she and it. And the oblique form of यह is इस, and oblique form of वह is उस. And the next is third person plural pronoun is ये and वे, which literally means these and those. And the oblique form of ये is in, and वे is उन, which means they. I hope this thing is clear and there is no confusion, like हम, तुम and आप, all three stay the same. There is no change. At the end, you have to remember one thing: when a oblique case of Hindi pronoun joins a postposition, they go together. You no need to write as a separate words. You have to write together. So I hope this thing is clear and you enjoyed this video. Goodbye.